Hi guys, welcome back to Eat Your Kappa, and I am your friendly neighborhood. I'm just joking, I haven't forgotten my dialogues. I really missed you guys big time. Remember my dog Smart, my faithful companion who follows me everywhere I go? Well, he's here with me in the farm today, and he's here to see how the rice harvest is done. He was also there when the rice was sown, so I guess he's curious as to how this is done. Anyways, you guys remember how the rice was sown, right? This is how it is harvested and threshed. This right here is how the harvesting is done, wherein the rice is cut and tied into small bundles. Then comes the threshing, which can either be done this way or that way with a little bit more swag. Thank you so much for watching Eat Your Kappa. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video as much as I did while making it. And I'll see you in the next episode with more amazing things from the Northeast. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Take care.